In the quiet village of Marasandra Palya, Karnataka, a silent vigil ends. A rat snake emerges, leaving its crevice to patrol the lake. It isn't wandering, it is calculating. Checking every hole, sensing the vibrations and the heartbeat of life on the banks of Navile Lake. Strike. A miss. The frog escapes. But one predator's failure is another's opportunity. A white-throated kingfisher waits. It doesn't hunt holes, it waits for the flush. Precision. The frog's journey ends in the beak. Here, there are no second chances. This is PARISARA, the wild at our doorstep. Beyond the brutal hunt lies a world of vibrant color. Here, among the village rooftops, tree canopies and lake beds, life is a constant cycle of nurturing and resilience. Marasandra Palya is alive with the hidden symphony. A sanctuary for the bold and the beautiful. The silent assassins in the shadows, the patient harvesters, and the colorful survivors who call this village home. Within this landscape, the hidden lives of our neighbors are unfolding. Stories of survival and the struggle for the future. It starts here with the Tickle's blue flycatcher. The story begins now. In the Areca grooves, the Tickle's blue flycatcher is performing. His song ripples like metallic bells. He sings for an audience of one, her. In this humid garden, his melody is a plea. The melody has done its work. A partnership is born. Just 50 meters away, the vibe changes. The areca palm gives way to an ancient tamarind tree. Home to the spot-breasted fantail. This guy is a break dancer. He is a master of motion, fanning his tail to scare insects into the open. One relies on a soulful song, the other on a high-energy routine. Building a home here requires two very different blueprints. The Tickle's blue flycatcher is a minimalist. He has claimed a pre-made sanctuary tucked deep into a hollow. It's a hidden fortress. The fantail is a tireless architect. He doesn't find a home, he weaves one. Using the fine grass and the sticky spider silk, he constructs a delicate cup, anchoring his future in the swaying branches of the tamarind tree. It's no short of a wonderful art. Now, the frantic building has slowed. In both nests, the eggs are laid, and the long wait begins, as both flycatchers settle into the quiet rhythm of incubation. We leave this neighborhood behind to find another master builder higher up in the canopy. Down in the hollow of a slender branch, the Coppersmith Barbets are in a race against time. They have now formed a pair and beginning to carve out the nest. This tiny, colorful pair is living a feverish loop, mating, nesting, and feeding in constant rotation. In the world of Coppersmith, Courtship is a high-stakes negotiation. The male arrives with a clear motive, carrying a ripe fig like a bargaining chip. But he is no philanthropist. He holds on to the prize throughout the act, using the promise of a meal to secure his place. For the coppersmith, frequent mating isn't just about eggs. It's a vital ritual to keep the pair synchronized for the hard work ahead. But the rhythm attracts a rival, a white-cheeked barbet, larger, stronger. Why build when you can steal? The female guards the entrance, but she is outmatched. It's a coordinated siege. Size is the ultimate decider. The coppersmiths are evicted. Undeterred, they start again in a nearby fig tree. But safety is an illusion. A summer storm, the branches snap, their dream broken twice over. A few trees away, the white-cheeked barbet, the coppersmith's formidable neighbor, has also moved on. They have abandoned the contested site for a sturdier fortress. The pair is now in the frantic rhythm of parenting, delivering a diverse menu to their growing chicks. In the game of survival, size and the choice of territory have made all the difference. For this family, the village has provided exactly what they needed. Down on the sun-baked floor of Navile Lake, the landscape has transformed. With the waters receded, the ashy-crowned sparrowlarks have claimed this exposed territory as their own. They are the ghosts of the lake bed, their dusty feathers mimicking the parched earth so perfectly they seem to emerge from the soil itself. They forage, they court, and they mate, committing their future to a landscape that offers no place to hide. The silence of the lake bed is a lie. From the lethal strike of Russell Viper at night to the tireless patrol of the jackal and mongoose by the day, the shadows are always moving. However, the female leads with a nervous intensity. Every trip for a grass is a tactical maneuver. Nearby, the male stands as a silent sentry. Together, they are playing a high-stakes game of camouflage, attempting to hide a home in a land with no cover. But one morning, the nest is empty. There are no shells, no signs of a struggle, just a hollow in the dirt. In the silence of Navile Lake, a predator has left nothing behind but an empty home. Days later, a glimpse of movement reveals a different story. On the other side of the lake, another pair has succeeded. With this, the focus now shifts back to the trees, where the wait is over. In both nests, new life has finally arrived. Now, the parents are in a race against hunger. From the Tickle's blue flycatchers to the fantails, it's a non-stop relay of high-protein deliveries. But in this village, a busy nest is a loud one that attracts unwanted attention. A frantic feeding has drawn a deadly visitor. The air explodes with alarm as the parents scream their defiance. While the tickles watch in a panic of chirps, the fantails take action. For today, the nests are safe. Back at the edge of the village lake, the rules of the ground are being rewritten. The red-wattled lapwings and black-winged stilts, with their piercing did-you-do-it calls and sharp eyes, the lapwings monitor every shadow. Besides them, the elegant stilts patrol the shallows on spindly legs. They are a united front, a neighborhood watch that greets every intruder with a scream of defiance. On this stretch of mud, the battle for survival is about to get loud. Enter the dragon, a massive rat snake, the apex predator of the water's edge, slithers into the arena. It's here for an easy meal. It expects the birds to fly away in fear. But today, the predator has made a miscalculation. With the chicks around, the stilts abandon caution for courage. The snake has a hunger to satisfy. But the stilts have a home to defend, and neither side is backing down. Even a snake must be cautious. One strike from the stilt's beak could harm the snake. The caution is gone, replaced by pure parental fury. In the village of Navile Lake, the small have stood their ground. The ground belongs to them once more. The storm of the season has passed. The tickles and fantails have done their job. The next generation has finally taken wing. Down by the lake, the battle for the ground has been won. The stilt and the lapwing chicks, once so vulnerable, are now running free, a living legacy of their parents' courage. But in Marasandra Palya, the wheel never stops turning. Even now, a wasp carries its prize. A reminder that here, every ending is simply fuel for a new beginning. As the sun sets over the village, the dramas fade into the twilight. This is the wild heart of the village. And tomorrow, the story starts all over again.